Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato soup from a convenient pouch. First, let's gather everything we need. You will want 1 pouch of your favorite tomato soup, plus about 1 cup of water or milk, depending on your preference. Also, grab a medium saucepan, a whisk, and your serving bowls. Always check your specific pouch for any unique instructions before you begin. This ensures the best possible outcome for your meal. Now let's get cooking. Carefully pour the entire contents of your tomato soup pouch into a medium saucepan. Next, add your chosen liquid. Usually, this is about 1 cup of water or milk, but always check your pouch's directions. Use a whisk to thoroughly combine the soup concentrate and liquid until it is smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the soup begins to reach a gentle simmer. Once your soup reaches a gentle simmer, reduce the heat slightly and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. This ensures the soup is heated through completely and all the flavors meld beautifully. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust seasonings like salt or pepper if you wish. Then, carefully ladle the hot, comforting soup into your bowls. To elevate your tomato soup, consider adding some delicious garnishes. Fresh basil, a swirl of cream, or some crunchy croutons are wonderful choices. You could also stir in cooked small pasta or serve it alongside grilled cheese for a classic pairing. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a splash of liquid if it seems too thick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.